Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast. And this is your favorite host, Billy. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube to alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now. You'll end up benefiting more from these information we're about to share. Hi guys, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprints.com with your host, Billy. And for today, we're looking at 7 ways to make money just by investing little as $1,000. So maybe you're sitting on at least $1,000 and it's scratching an itch in your pocket, considering investing rather than spending on something wasteful. But the question is that, how can you really invest $1,000? While there's plenty of ways that you can make money fast by doing odd online jobs or generating it through things like affiliate marketing or email marketing, to actually earn money by investing with just $1,000 might present a whole more challenges and frankly more risk. That is, of course, unless you know what you're doing. However, all risk aside, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you're still able to come up with $1,000 to put toward your investment and be creative about it. So before you dive in, here's some mindset principles that you need to have. Moving beyond the scarcity mentality is crucial. Too many of us live our lives with the notion that there's never enough things to go around, that we don't have enough time, cash flow, connection, or opportunities to grow and live the life at a higher level. That's just a belief system, because what you think, you become. So if you think you can't get rich or even make a sizable extra amount of income by investing in a short term, then that's more of a mindset problem. Well, you don't need to invest a lot of money with any of these strategies that we're about to cover. We'll try our best to help you reach your personal finance goal. Sure, having a lot of money to invest will be ideal, but it's not necessary. As long as you can identify the right strategy that works for you, all you need is, then all you would need to do is scale up. It's similar to build an offer online, identifying the right conversion rate through optimization, then scaling that out. If you know you can invest $1 and make $2, you continue to invest $1. So start small, try a different way, track and analyze your result. Don't get too caught up on how you're going to get rich overnight. That won't happen. But you can leverage one of these following methods to make money by investing small with a little amount of capital. Then when it works, all you have to do is scale, plain and simple. You don't have to overthink anything. So tips number 1, play the stock market. Day trading is not for the faint of heart. It takes grits and determination. It takes understanding the different market forces at play. This isn't something intended for amateur, but if learned and learned well, this way you can quickly, within an hour, make a significant amount of real money with just a small investment. There's also ways to hedge your bet when it comes to playing the stock market, whether you play the general market or trade penny stocks. Ensure that you set a stop loss limits to cut any potential loss. Now, if you're an advanced trader, you're likely to understand the market maker often moves stocks to play either to a fear or to a greed, and they often push the stock down to a certain price, enhance the fear, and play right into the pocket. When it comes to penny stocks, this is further exaggerated, so you don't have to understand what you're doing and be able to analyze the market force to make a significant gain. Pay attention to moving averages. Often stock break through a 200-day moving averages. There's potential for either large upsides or big downside. Tips number 2, invest in money-making course. Investing in yourself is one of the best possible investment you can make. While you might not be able to pinpoint an actualized return on investment, there's no money better spent. Invest in yourself. Invest in your education. Learn, adapt, grow, discover what you're passionate about. There are a load of money-making courses on the internet. The hard part is choosing the right online course for you, from ebook to affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, and beyond. The possibilities are endless. While many money-making guru might pop up on social media, not all courses are created equal. Spend time doing your due diligence and research to choose the one that's right for you. Tips number 3, trade commodities. Trading commodity like gold and silver present a rare opportunities, especially when they're trading at the lower end of their 5 years range. A metric like that give a strong indicator where commodities might be heading. Caroline Borden of Fibonacci Queen said, I have a long-term support at timing in the silver market because silver is a solid hedge on inflations. Plus, commodities like silver are tangible assets that people can hold on to. So, the fundamental of economics drive the price of commodities. As supplies dip, demand increase, and prices rise. Any disruption to a supply chain has severe impacts on prices. For example, a health scare to livestock can significantly alter price as scarcity reign free. However, livestock or meat are just one form of commodities. Metal, energy, and agriculture are some other type of commodities. To invest, you can use an exchange like London Metal Exchange or Chicago Mercantile Exchange, as well as many other. Often investing in commodities means investing in future contracts, effectively that's pre-arranged agreement to buy a specific quality at a specific price in the future. These are leverage contracts providing both big upsides and potential for large downsides. So exercise with cautious. Tips number 4, trade cryptocurrency. Also one of my favorite. Cryptocurrencies are now on the rise. While trading them might seem risky, if you hedge your bet well, you can limit some fallout from poorly timed trade. There are plenty of platforms for trading cryptocurrency as well, but before you dive in, educate yourself. Find courses on platforms like Udemy, Kajabi, or Teachable and learn the ways of trading Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoins. While there are over 3,000 cryptocurrency in existence, only a handful really matter today. Find an exchange, research trading pattern, look out for breakout and long-term moving averages, and get busy trading. Well, you can use exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, FTX, along with many others to make the actual trade. Tips number 5, use peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is the hot investment vehicle these days. While you might not get rich investing in peer-to-peer lending network, you could definitely make a bit of coins. Which lending platform do you use? Well, today there's better to choose from, but the most popular one include Lending Club, Peerform, and Prosper. So how did it work? Okay, peer-to-peer lending platform allow you to give a small burst of capital to businesses or individual while collecting an interest rate on return. You get more money than you would if you place it in a saving account. Plus, your risk is limited because the algorithm make it are doing much of the hard work for you. Once you identify the offer, you can dig in and do some research. Then you can either take the deal or not. You have to evaluate based on the propriety of the algorithm that's include employment and credit history, and you'll be able to decide and invest based on a variety of well thought out data. As we're moving on to tips number 6, trade options. What type should you trade? There are a load of vehicles such as Forex and stocks. The best way to make good money by investing when it comes to option is to jump around 15 days before corporate earnings are released. What type should you buy? Money call. The optimal time to sell these money call is the day before the company releases earnings. There's so much excitement and anticipation around earnings that is typical drive up the price, giving you a consistently winners. But don't hold through the earning. That's a gamble. You don't want to take that risk if you're not a seasoned investor. Number 7, flip real estate contract. Making money with real estate might seem like a long-term prospect, but really is not. There are ways you can take in little as $500 to $1,000 and invest in flipping real estate contract to make a quick cash. How? Use a system like Kent Color REWW to first understand how the market works. It'll then provide you with the data and tool to identify vacant homes, distressed seller, and cash buyer. While most people think that real estate is won by flipping traditional home and doing the renovation yourself, the fastest money you can make in real estate involve flipping the actual contract itself. It's called arbitrage. Identify the motivated seller and cash buyer, bring them together, and effectively broke the deal. It might seem odd on the first go, but once you get the hang of it, you can become a mini mogul in the real estate industry by simply scaling out this one single strategy. It works, and it's tutored by some of the world's most successful real estate investor. So that's it for today. Those are our 7 tips to invest your first $1,000. So which is your favorite? Leave it on the comment section. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in situations like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.